There are two main reasons you might want to duplicate a page. The first one is when you have a page whose structure is going to be essentially the same and you're going to need different versions of it throughout the course. For instance, here's a review page at the end of the module, and I don't have one for Module 1, so I'll duplicate this page. And then in Module 1, what I'll do is I will add the page. So here's the copy, and we'll insert that. And then we can go to that page, and we're going to change it to Let's Review Module 1. And of course, because it's the same page, or because it was a duplicate of the page, it has all the same content in it. So in this case, we don't want the Module 2 review, so I'm going to switch that from Module 2 review to Module 1 review, and the same for the quiz. Okay, so that's the first case. You might need one of these at the beginning as an intro page or at the end as a review page for every module. That's just an example. The other use case is when you are duplicating the entire organization, because you're going to have two organizations that use similar content, but for which you need to actually change a page in one because you don't want the same content in both on both pages. So I'll show you what that looks like. Let's duplicate this default organization, and then we'll find it in the list of orgs here. And now this one has the exact same structure and pages in it. This Let's Review Module 1 is the same page that appears in the default organization. But perhaps this is going to be a slightly different use of the material, and that review page is going to have different content. If I were to change this content right now, those changes would also appear on the page that's being shared in the default organization, the source organization for this copy. So what I'll do is I will duplicate this page and then replace it with the copy. Okay, so now we have a new page that has slightly different content. It's got a different title, and what we'll do is we will replace this Let's Review Module 1 page by removing it from the organization. We will add the existing new content page, and now you can see that though the organizations are still the same and they share most of the same pages, wherever I want my unique material to reside is where I choose to make a duplicate page and then update that page.